this is Jamie with That's Incredible, and today I am inspired to use this gnome, sweet gnome set from Lawn Fawn. I was looking through my already colored images, and I already had a bunch of these already colored and cut and just ready to use. So with that, I'm going to make a little shadow box card using these images that I've already cut. I also cut out from the shadow box die set some trees. These are like the trunks and then the tree tops. I'm not really sure where this card is going, but I'm willing to give it a shot and share my creative process with you. All right, so I've already taken the time to cut out all of the pieces for the shadow box card. So I have two of these for the base and then two inside pieces. I also cut this from the die set, just this piece here, so that it can be my backdrop. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to take my bone folder and I'm going to fold and score or burnish all of my fold lines so that they're nice and crisp. So that will be the front. And before I do this one, I'm going to actually glue this piece down. Oops. So that part is done. So this is the inside piece and it's a perfect fit. All right, go ahead and burnish that. I just love my new Teflon bone folder. Just makes a world of difference. All right, so when I set my card up, this blue is going to be the back and this is going to be the front. So I need to put my adhesive on this strip here and this strip here so that it will end up on the inside of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down and then this piece down. There we are. Then, since I've already glued this piece down, got a little bit ahead of myself, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, with the backing off, and then I'm going to just pull this side up just, oh, it's not even down all the way yet, so we'll just pull that off and I'll put it back down here in a moment. So, looks just like this. Line up the score line with the edge. There we are. Nice and straight, and I'm going to burnish that so it's got a good seal. Now I'm going to put this piece back down. And I'm not quite ready to make my box yet because I think I would like to add a little bit of cloud stenciling in the back. So using my, so I can do my shading. That will work. And today I'm going to use Salty Ocean Distress Oxide to create my background. I'm going to take two sticky notes, one on each side, so that I don't get it on the green. Then I'm going to use my cloud template that I quickly made, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly add some clouds to my background. There we are. Adds just a slight bit of interest there. I'll set my cloud background to the side. All right, so take my sticky notes off. And I'm going to go ahead and add my rolling hills. Go ahead and fold those onto the score lines and add some score tape. This is 1/8 inch score tape. Put that on both pieces so they're ready to go. All right, so this one will be in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and just peel the adhesive or the backing off of the one. And I'm going to line it up right about there. Make sure it's nice and straight. I'm going to go and peel that off. And then I'll peel this backing off here. And I'm going to lay this one down just a little bit further forward and make sure it is straight as well. There we are. And then I will peel this backing off and fold this side over. Peel this backing off and fold this side over. And it should all match up. I'm going to go ahead and give that a really good press with my Teflon bone folder so that when I open it, my pieces look like that. And they're spread out just a little bit so they're not going to be on top of each other. That's the way I do it to find it the easiest way, so that when you are going to fold it back down to slide it in an envelope, you know it's going to fold correctly. So let's go ahead and add our pieces that we already had pre-colored. So it looks just like that. So it's nice and flat. Oh. And a little adhesive right here underneath. All right. So now we need a sentiment to go on this card. And I think "be happy" will be just perfect. I am kind of into the bees right now. I'll go ahead and put that on my block. I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And then I'm going to stamp "be happy." You know, I think I'm actually going to stamp it over here so I can flag the ends of that. And I still have a couple little mushrooms I want to add, but we will add those here in just a second. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut a straight line. Well, as straight as I can get it. There we go. Here we are. And I'm going to add just a little liquid adhesive right there. And I'm going to glue that down along the bottom. There we go. Now I'm going to go in using my tweezers in these little tiny mushroom houses. Or mushrooms, I guess they're not really houses. I'm going to glue just a couple here and there for some added interest, and because I already have them already colored and cut and ready to use. There we go. And we are finished with this card. That's what it looks like from the front. Put that away. Still have lots of images left to use for another card later. But I really like how that turned out. Let me know what you think. Thanks.